Hi, everybody. It's Tim Hagen from Progress Coaching, and we have probably one of the coolest announcements we've ever had at the company in the past 30 years. Now, to be transparent, I created something that was really self-serving. It was really just for my benefit. What a great way to start off an introduction, right? For years, decades, we've always gone into companies like Microsoft and Corning and Bear Science and Monsanto, the Milwaukee Brewers, the New York Federal Credit Union, and we've done these projects and we engage with our clients. We dive into their culture, and I love doing it, and it's been great. The challenge that we've had more than anything is how do we reach the individual leader? How do we work with that leader on an individual basis without just scheduling one-on-one calls, because that can become counterproductive and time consuming and could be taken away from our bread and butter, the big projects that we've been doing. So in the past year, I've been playing around with a concept called the coaching school. It's a takeoff on a cooking school. And I think one of the most fundamental things that is missing in our industry is to have leaders realize coaching isn't just one thing. It's not just one-on-one coaching. There are so many different opportunities, and we call those ingredients. It could be peer-to-peer coaching like the Milwaukee Brewers use, or group coaching like Aurora Cooperative uses, or one-on-one coaching, or observational coaching, or self-coaching. And I thought, how do we structure a program? How do we structure something that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, but gives leaders an opportunity to develop themselves into great leadership coaches in the workplace? Our specialty is really coach the coach for leaders in the workplace for today's most common challenges and situations. So let me walk you through how the coaching school will work. First of all, this is our image, and that is me in that beautiful chef's outfit. There are 5 main components to the coaching school: weekly lessons, unlimited coaching plans, free monthly course, a members only really best practice sharing session, and then something that I think is really valuable, end of the month completion badges. So here's how it's going to work. First, there will be a monthly theme, whether it would be coaching accountability, coaching attitude, coaching teamwork. And every week there will be a lesson roughly about 8 to 12 minutes in length. At the end of the month, there will be that badge that you can achieve by passing a test and actually developing a coaching strategy. And we will give you those badges of completion as something that you can put on your LinkedIn profile, something you can put on your resume with a description. Now, the lessons will be 4 lessons every single month with a monthly theme. Next, we will provide you access to 2 of our main AI coaching platforms. So as a leader, if you want to coach your team or coach an individual, you'll be able to fill out an assessment form, and our automation AI platform will actually create a coaching plan within the coaching framework you're going to learn by joining the coaching school. So everything is synchronized and consistent with one another. So if you need coaching plans for an individual, your team, or even yourself, or self-coaching plans your employees can be given access to, that's exactly what we're going to be providing you. Next, we will provide you a monthly course. We have an LMS platform with literally over 300 coaching courses that you can take based on how we go about teaching coaching. Now, what you're going to learn, the basics of Progress Coaching, is our framework, and that is embedded in every one of our courses. Next, end of the month completion badges. This will demonstrate your understanding, give you credibility, show internal management that you're taking initiative. And what this is going to do is give you a badge of completion. The badge of completion is at the end of the month, after the 4th lesson, you'll be given a link to an assessment. It's going to prompt you to complete, within that monthly theme, a strategy. So for accountability, you'll be given a scenario and you'll have to build out a coaching strategy and then answer 5 questions. Every set of questions needs to have 20 or more points. Every question is worth 5 points. The questions are really simple. The idea behind this is to put critical thinking and to demonstrate your learning as you go through the program. Now, with that, we also have best practice sharing sessions. We're going to start these bi-monthly, where you will meet other members and then be able to share what you're doing with coaching, what's been challenging, and it'll be facilitated with myself or one of our certified coaches. So if this intrigues you, scan this. Get on our waiting list. Our projected launch date is August 2026. And we're going to start with the monthly theme of accountability. If you join, you'll have an option of paying a monthly fee, which is nominal, or a yearly fee paid up front, which gives you an even greater discount. So do me a favor, scan this QR code, get some information from us, and what we will ultimately do is be in touch with you and then ultimately start the program, or start, I should say, the school August 1st. I cannot tell you what is so exciting about this is this allows us to work with individuals on a really grand scale. The best part is we individualize it. So in terms of providing you badges of completion, specific coaching plans to your particular set of needs, or working with people in terms of questions. So again, within the platform, and we use Substack, ultimately we'll be able to answer questions and collaborate with you as you do your weekly lessons. If you have any questions, reach out to us. We're excited to work with you.